Hey, John Creatani here, and I'm going to teach you how to become a millionaire online. Now, I've made tens of millions of dollars from my internet business online, and I'm going to go over the three major steps that you need to take to become a millionaire online, including connecting and learning from a millionaire mentor. Number two is creating your own high-ticket product to sell. And number three is mastering traffic generation so you get people coming to you and you create an instant flow of money that can allow you to become a millionaire. Let's get it. John Creatani here. Now, the first step to becoming a millionaire online is connecting with and learning from a millionaire mentor. You need to work with somebody who's done it before if you want to get there. Taking advice from broke people is not going to make you rich, and you're not going to become a millionaire just guessing. Again, you need to find somebody who's already done it that you can learn from. Make sure your mentor makes money the way you want to make money. Again, don't follow in the footsteps of somebody who's just made money anyway. Follow in the footsteps of somebody who's made money the way you want to make it. I highly encourage you, and I did this, pay them to learn from them or get in their circle somehow. Whatever you need to do, work for them for free, work for them for cheap, work for their company. It doesn't matter how you connect with your millionaire mentor. There are many different ways of doing it. Again, it's going to involve either time or it's going to involve money. One of my very first mentors was a guy named David, and he was out here in LA, and I actually worked for him for 2 years. He was my boss, and I learned from him every day. And the great part about that was that I got paid to actually learn. I got paid to have a mentor. A lot of folks look at their boss as somebody that, they're like, oh man, my boss, he yelled at me today, giving me more work. No! Whenever I got more work from my boss, whenever my boss told me something I did was wrong, I loved it. Because again, that was a chance for me to become better. So anybody who talks about how their boss is bad, I am so saddened by that, because this is an opportunity for you to learn and get paid while on the job, learning from somebody who's a step above you. Go out there and implement their advice with no ego, and always ask them how you can get better. Very important stuff. And have them help you out to make a plan to get to the $1 million mark or higher than that. Let them know you're interested in being a millionaire like them. Have them help you create a plan. Again, it may take a lot of work. It may take a lot of effort. It may even take money, but whatever it is, work with them to get you there. Step number two is creating your own high ticket product to sell. Now, you'll make larger commissions owning a product than just being an affiliate. You'll make larger commissions owning a product and having a product or a service that you can offer folks than just being an affiliate. Being an affiliate is a great place to start, and I teach that to everyone here on my channel. I got my start by selling other folks' products, and I still do that to this day in a massive way. I make millions of dollars from affiliate commissions. So talk with your mentor about how you can turn that skill into a product or a service. Again, there's no harm in creating a service where you're helping other people. Maybe it's you're being a health coach. Maybe you're being a business coach. Maybe you're doing advertising for folks. Maybe you're doing interior design. Maybe you're doing landscaping. All of these are services which cost thousands and thousands of dollars, and you can be making that money. In my case, I created an information product. I was already a millionaire by this point, but I created an information product and I started selling it for $1,000. And that's my super affiliate system. I actually started selling it for $5,000, where I was coaching folks on how to get into and how to do affiliate marketing. I realized that I had an uncommon skill that not many people had, so I made money off of helping others get to that place. And being a millionaire myself, also, I had people that wanted to get there themselves. And I'm happy to say to this day, I've made many millionaires. I know of at least 5 students of mine who have become millionaires in the process of my training. Add relevant upsells too. Ideally, you want to have some sort of continuity type based income to increase your customer value. If you are doing landscaping for people in your area and you're charging people, let's say $5,000 to figure out landscaping, figure out a service that you can make money from those customers indefinitely. Maybe that's gardening. Maybe you find some local gardeners and you can charge $500 a month to do the gardening on your client's property. That way, instead of just making $5,000 one time, you're making $5,000 as well as $500 a month for the rest of your life from one customer. That quickly adds up and you will quickly become a millionaire if you figure out the correct formula there. And the third step to becoming a millionaire is mastering traffic generation. Now start creating content on YouTube to build your personal brand and get traffic. YouTube is by far the easiest, fastest, best, most untapped, unsaturated place to promote your content right now. So I highly encourage you, check out some of my other videos. I don't know, I'll have them linked somewhere around here where you can learn how to build a big YouTube channel. Take your videos and put them on a Facebook fan page too, and run ads to them. You can do a lot of different things to really build your audience as you start gaining traction. Again, once you start generating money, you will be on a train that can never stop as long as you keep your foot to the pedal. My advice would be to get good at one free traffic method and one paid traffic method. One free and one paid. In my case, it's YouTube, my free traffic method. In my paid advertising, it's Google Ads. I'm good at those two things, and that's been able to build a business that does roughly $10 million a year. You don't need many skills. You don't need to be the master of everything. All you need to be good at is one or two things. And if you'd like to take things to the next level, I encourage you start an affiliate program, recruit affiliates to sell your products for you, or referral partners, and regularly provide your affiliates with the tools and the training to make it easier for them to sell your services. In the example of landscaping, you can find local referral sources that will put you in touch with folks that need landscaping. Examples of that would be gardeners or home builders or realtors, real estate agents, etc., that can refer you those sorts of deals. Woo! Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like button for the algorithm, and leave a comment if you have any questions or whatnot. I don't respond to all the comments, but if you'd like to continue the discussion, make sure to check out some of my other videos and go to the links in the description. We have some playlists how you can start doing what I did to make my money online, which is affiliate marketing. And you can also join our free Discord forum where you can communicate and chat with other people that are starting their own online businesses so that you can talk to them about what they're doing to make it work and really involve yourself in a community to move forward. Again, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. Talk to you soon. Have a good day.